Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today I want to start off where if one takes two governmental parties and we start off supposedly knowing that for one, the country to unify. I'm reading this off my phone, I wrote this. I start off where if one takes two governmental parties, starts off where each one knows supposedly that for the country to unify over some of the nation's interests, that in order to unify, who would have done better? We had Obama for 8 years. In my opinion, it was great. Now, if Hillary Clinton would have won, the question is, would she have unified strong over issues such as RX medication price drop, climate change, etc.? And here's my opinion. I think that under Trump, the nation as a whole is unified so much against him and how he deals with certain issues that the country is now having these strenuous talks over climate change and economic wealth and the fact of healthcare as a right, the decriminalization of marijuana. And now people who have never talked to each other are talking to each other. Today's youth are getting more involved, etc. So I can see a great amount of unity. I can also see a great amount of self-made division. And it is our society's time to renegade, to ask itself where it truly wants to go as a nation. Put it simply, the bullshit has to end for the fire of the soul to move forward. Honesty of transparency must be achieved and the reforms have to be bigger. Also, the number of people grow. You will also have an uptick in knowledge and ignorance of knowledge. I think too that it's about how the emotions played out, how emotion was presented from the White House, the Congress, and the judicial system, with how emotional response played out to the Trump administration. It still unified people to know where not to go, and where instead to take us under a democratic motion, unifying us to head towards a brighter future. So I just wanted to make this video and remember all the lives of the COVID victims. We are praying for you. And thank you to our first responders, our essential workers. Thank you. This is Nikita signing out. Take care, guys.